Hey everyone! Welcome back to Purvi Magic. Today we're diving deep into Kadence WP. Kadence WP is an all-in-one solution for creating websites with ease. Kadence WP is a WordPress theme that prioritizes simplicity, speed, and design versatility. It is lightweight, fast, extremely adaptable, and includes pre-designed themes for simple website construction. Kadence WP distinguishes out because of its drag-and-drop header builder, global color palette, and flexible design. It stands out from competitors such as Astra, GeneratePress, and Divi because of its built-in functionality, which eliminates the need for additional plugins. Kadence WP is also easier to use for speedy website creation, with faster loading speeds and seamless connection with page builders such as Elementor and Gutenberg. If you're ready to level up your website with Kadence WP, head over to the link in the description below and get started today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Purvi Magic for more content like this.